So after a long, unexpected hiatus work, I am back. And yay, going to put my 4L60E, again, factory style transmission, LT1 car, in this here Caprice WX3 with this here 6.0 in front of it. I'm extra. I wanted to rebuild the transmission first. By rebuild, I mean, yeah. Boom. So, oh yeah, wait. Yeah, 9560, as you can see. That's what that VSS is. Check your spacer, sleeve, whatever you want to call it, before trying to put everything together. This one needed a little convincing to get onto the torque converter. And then of course we have our dished flex plate with custom slotted torque converter holes. And this is going to be the same for 4.8, 5.3 or 6.0, so it doesn't matter what motor you have. LS based motor, Gen 4, Gen 3, Gen 4. Get it together, drop it in Brunhilda here. Yay. Helga still sitting, waiting. Beulah G, Beulah, Miss Betty, and Bella somewhere else. Gretchen is behind me with her other friends, so she won't be making an appearance today. But yeah, we're gonna get this bolted together, get it dropped off in the car. Oh boy. So now we've got everything all bolted together. Again, I always lift at an angle. That way you can just drop it down in there. And what I thought about real quick, just once again, this is how you know you have a non-LS style transmission. LS transmissions have that extra bolt hole right there. This one doesn't. Yay. All right, show you what it's like, where we at once I get over into the engine bay. So it's like my last video. You go in at an angle, let it down in there, push, pull the car forward, whichever way you're doing it, and voila. So we're going down now. Now to move the car forward to get it on the mounts. BRB. I'm gonna have to show like my gallery or something. But like I wish I could like time stamp from the actual time of the videos. Because yeah, this literally takes no time at all. Gonna run our bolts through. Yeah, motor mount bolts. Put the factory cross member back up. Yeah, I hate it. It's annoying, but it works. And then I'm gonna do a couple more things. Cars in the air, jack stand safely placed. And guess who forgot to do torque converter bolts this go around? Yay. So you get to join me on my journey with doing that too. We're gonna do a little bettering of ourselves. You ever done a transmission on a B-body? That right there gets annoying, right? So it gets caught right here, which is basically not needed. So we about to chop. You can see where it's already scraping right there. So be back in a second. About to get this handy dandy cutoff wheel. Ta-da! We have the factory cross member backup, the factory 4L60E, and an LS motor. Yay! So this doesn't mess with structural integrity, because I know somebody's going to cry like, oh my god, no, and nobody's ever going to see underneath my car. Plus, once you put the drive shaft safety loop back up, it's going to hide most of that anyways. But I found, honestly, it's just a whole lot easier to do that, because I didn't feel like buying that tubular cross member just yet. Yay. And so as you can see, well, you can't see from this side. Let me wiggle around. My bad. Doing my torque converter bolts. So again, you want to spin them hand tight first, and then come back and torque them all down. So we're gonna get that done. Put the drive shaft back in, We've got to throw lines on, but we are just about done from the underneath of this car. Oh boy, I can't wait. This is where we're gonna wrap up that today. Because I remembered, I actually cut my lines pulling them out. I'm just gonna go get some fittings brazed on the end of them because I prefer to run number 6 AN lines. But yeah, so in a couple days we're gonna knock out a couple more things. Serpentine kit is on the way. Oh boy.